Hi everyone, this is Mr. Kachinga. So in this video we'll look at mensuration paper 1, that is the area of a sector. So the most important thing in this lesson is to know the formula for the area of a sector. So this is the formula. So area is equals to theta or angle over 360 times pi r squared. So this letter A there present area, then this symbol present theta as you can see, then this symbol present pi which is there, then r is radius. So a sector looks like this. So this is a sector the way it looks. So from 0 or from O up to A is the radius. Then from O up to B also it is the radius. Then the angle suspended in between, or this symbol in between, it presents the theta or the angle. So in the next lesson, rather in the next video, I'll show you how to find the area of the sector. So these are working examples, mensuration. So the diagram below shows a sector with radius 14 centimeters and angle AOB equals to 60 degrees. Take pi to be 22 over 7. So this is 14 centimeters. Okay. Then this is theta. Then they say find the area of the sector. So we have to find the area of the sector. So now it is very important to recall the formulas. So to find the area of the sector, the first thing we know that area is equals to theta over 360 then by pi r then squared. Okay. Now the theta, it is this angle here which is 60 degrees. You see that? So we are going to replace, we just say area is equals to 60 over 360 degrees times pi. Now here it's specified to say take pi to be 22 over 7. So our pi is 22 over 7 times radius. So the radius is 14. As you can see, radius is 14. So what we do, we say 14, then we square it. So in mathematics, when a number is squared, it means, like if it's 14 power 2, it means 14 times 2. So what we are going to do here, first of all, we can reduce the numbers. If we want, I can reduce this 0 and this 0. You see that? Then here what will remain is 6 and 36. So 6 into itself is 1. Then 6 into 36, that is what? 6. So I'm going to remain with 1 over 6. This one which is on top and the 6. Then by 22 over 7 times 14 power 2, which is 14 times 14. This 14 power 2 mean 14 by 2. 14 times 14. Now, when we reach this stage, we have to identify the numbers we can reduce, okay? So like 6 and 22, we can reduce by a 2. I can say 2 into 6 is 3. Then 2 into 22 is 11. You see that? Again, I have to ask myself if 7 and 14 can be reduced. Yes, they can be reduced. I can say 7 into itself is 1. Then 7 into 14 is 2. After that, the numbers which are on top, we have to multiply. So we have 1 times 11, that is 11. 11 times 2, I'm going to get 22. Then times 14, there is times 14. Okay, then here 3 times 1, everything will just be divided over 3. You see that? Now at this point, what we are going to do is to multiply 22 times 14. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, so we have to multiply 22 by 14. We will get 308 then over 3. Now remember, you can multiply it by hand since it's paper 1. You can just say 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Here you put 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2, then you add, this is 8, this is 10, carry 1, then 3, just a quick one. Okay. Now when we reach here, we have to divide, okay, this 3 into 308, you see that? So 3 into 308. So the best way to do that, we can say 3 into itself is 1, then 3 into 30. So 3 into 30, that is 10. You see that? I'll just write 10 here. That is 10. You see that? Now here we have to divide again 3 into 8. So 3 into 8, how many times can 3 go into 8? That is what? 2 times. Okay? That is 2 times. Then remainder what? Remainder, since 3 times 2 is 6, so remainder 2. Then we say now, again this 3 into 2, it can't, so here we put a point, then there we put a 0. Then we say, what is 3 into 20? So how many times can 3 go into 20? That is 6 times. So since 3 times 6 is 18, meaning remainder 2 again. Then 3 into 2 again, it can't. Then I'll put 3. 3 into 20, it will be 6. So in other ways, I will reduce it to 1 decimal place or 3 significant figure. You know, mostly in the exam we give to 3 significant figures. So if I was to put 3 significant figures, I'll just count 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it will be 103 centimeter squared. So that is 3 significant figures. All these numbers are significant. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 significant figures. Now to 3 significant figures, just count 1, 2, 3. But since here there is a 6, we add a 1. So this is how we calculate the area of a triangle, the area of the sector rather. So I'll expose you more to a lot of this question. So for now, I'll say thank you for watching.